technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM car performance data acquired.
What the
Let's see if your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Oh God! Yeah!
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Yeah, we had a first
Now let's see
one!
how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
I'm getting back on this. No, don't point, dude.
Displaying power test results.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our scoring area.